Player 2, Yugi Fight!
I've journeyed across the globe for the right foe to challenge me. I grandpa's little dog with a dual personality. Deal me your best, catching them is my real task. And I swear I'm gonna royally flush your whole deck. Some ass catching from Palatine. Meet me on the battleground. I won't need a ghost type ascended to the shadow realm. I've been the star for generations cause I've trained hard. Your show ended sending you to the graveyard. I'm a master of battling. I'll send abracadabra to dismantle this hand-me-down magic the gathering. It's blasphemy when this foe pharaoh folds his hand to me. I can't imagine just how angry all 10 of his fans will be. You're all talk, you claim to wield the power of the gods, but couldn't contain it to wield your millennium rod.
I'm counting on you. I special summon a monster. All right. I summon a monster in attack position. I set this card face down. My monster's effect activates. Let's battle! Blackluster Soldier, attack!